Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to reset Eufy Homebase 3. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having some problems to in this case looking or resetting your Eufy Homebase 3 here, this one is actually pretty easy. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to locate the reset button. Now if you're not aware yet, it has a reset button. So as for reference only, this is what the device looks like. So usually underneath it, you should see a reset hole here. So you may need to use a pin or a paper clip to press this button, but just get a paper clip or a for example a pin that you could use to press this one. But what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and press this button. So you want to hold the button for about like 10 to 15 seconds until the red light starts blinking on your device. Now, once the red light starts flashing, release the button and allow the reset process to complete. Now, the device will restart, and once the light changes to blue, the reset is complete. Now you could go and reset this up again and see if that helps with your issue. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.